Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about this Kent instant egg boiler that I've got here. So this is basically an electric egg boiler that makes the egg boiling process very easy. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing process. We'll see what we've got in the box, and then I'll do a little demo where you can see how easily we can boil eggs with this thing. Alright, so the first thing that we have here is the instruction manual, and you can see some important things here. And if you're a first time user, then you should definitely read this manual before using the device. I'll just keep it away. So this is how the product looks after unboxing, and on the front side you can see the branding here and a power button. The top portion is the lid, which is transparent, which lets you basically see what's going on inside. And here there's a steam outlet, so you should ensure that this is not facing towards you when the device is in operation. With respect to the plug, it's got a standard 6 ampere plug, so it doesn't require high power supply, and this will plug into any normal 3-pin socket. Now let's see what we have here. Alright, so this is a steaming bowl in which you can steam small veggies, etc. So this is another use case of this product. And this right here is like the most important part of this electric egg boiler. If you can see here, there's some markings. So for soft and medium and hard, they've given some certain markings. So when you're filling water in this device, you need to do it as per your choice. Like if you're trying to get hard boiled eggs, then you should fill the water up to here. If you're trying to get medium boiled eggs, then you should stick to the medium part, and so goes for the soft one. And this thing right here is detachable, so let me quickly detach this. Yeah, so at the bottom of this cup, what you've got is a sharp needle, and before placing the eggs in this unit, you need to pierce them once so that the gas escapes and they don't crack. So that is the intent of this sharp needle over here. And now this is the tray on which you'll be keeping the eggs, and you can see that you can keep 7 eggs at a time. And this is the place where you would be pouring in water. So that's about it for the unboxing part. Now let's quickly do the demo so that you can understand how this thing works. So now I've plugged the device in. It's not turned on yet. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is pour some water in this. And I want hard boiled eggs, so I'm keeping it at the hard level. So you just need to pour it in here, and after that you'll be placing this on top. And now we need to keep the eggs on this tray. So the thing that I mentioned about piercing these eggs, so basically you need to make a little hole and keep it on top here. So for this demonstration purpose, I'm just going to keep 5 eggs right now, but you can keep up to 7. You can see that there are 2 spots which are still free. Alright, so now let's place the lid here and we can start the device. So you can see that the light here is glowing and our steaming process has started. So we should get the boiled eggs in some time. And while the steaming process is on, you should pause the video here and definitely take a look at the safety instructions and the cleaning and maintenance part, because this is like very important when you're using an electric boiler. So do pause the video here and go through all of these items. So you might have seen that the device got automatically shut off when it was done. Now I can turn it off from here as well. I mean, this is an important step, and also switch off the device before opening this as a precautionary measure. Although it's not required, I recommend this for your own safety. And now we can see how our eggs have turned out to be. So I've got some cold water here so that we can peel them easily. And now is the moment of truth. Right, so that's our boiled egg and it's completely done. Now let me break it open and see if the setting that we had kept it on has really turned out well. Yep. So I kept it on the hard setting and I think I've got the right results. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope this video helps you understand how simple it is to boil eggs with an electric egg boiler. And if you want to purchase the same product, then I've placed a link in the bottom of this